All the way from Lagos, make some noise for Kenny Black.
I see you. Okay, oh yeah now, let me hear you say, oh yo, oh yo, oh. Whoa, yo. All the guys in the house, all the guys, let me hear you say, Kenny Black. Take my wife. Sorry. I didn't mean that. That was a slip of tongue. Make a freestyle small. Oh yeah, when I know say I be shy boy. I no get leave up to follow woman talk. But my brother, MC Papi, tell me say Kenny Black. Oh, he said Kenny. He said, if you love somebody, walk up to him and tell him you love him. I say, why? He said, no cry, no time at all. See, so one day I see this baby. For one of my guys, they look me and they look at me. They look me and they look at me. So I walked up to him and said, I say, fine girl, I just want to dance with you, baby. Or more man or okay. If your boyfriend come with my mail, anything you want to ask, better see. Even if it's, the guy say Kenny Black, come on for yeah. I say why? He say Kenny Black, see, I'm feeling vibes, some vibes. I blow your dynamite. She say Kenny, you know fit kill my vibe. I say why? She say Kenny Black, away. She said, take all your trouble. I have a boyfriend, it's that very dark man. I tell your boyfriend and the bouncer, I swear, over them all. If they won't come, happy David for life. See, Oluwa dey my side. And when they come, I swear, them go feel it. Them go hold it down. Them go feel it. And if they stay and you love me, I swear, I'm unavailable. They see me, I'm on up. The guy say Kenny Black, I'm a big guy in Abuja. I say who are you? He say Kenny Black. I got my pictures out in Georgia. I got my good from California. I got my necklace on the Celsius. Oh that shit. I say if I can see, now me bidi down go see. Me oh to let go. I tell the girl you think say the world they revolve. I tell the girl, you think say the world they rotate. I don't get money like say you body, but I said to God, say fine girl, I become a person. She say, Kenny Black, can you come to my house? I said, no problem. PKD. Tell me what is the time and place. You only there for your case. I know they drive best, but I go drive. Kilometer. He say, Kenny Black, make we dance. I say, I know sabi dance, but I said to you, say, you go bounce your body away. I'm a baby, no teacher. She say, Kenny Black, where you dey stay? I said, not Abuja, but oh, Zumba, buddy. Where you dey stay? He said, Kenny Black, can you come to my house? I say, why not? Oga, I no go lie, see, 3 days she no call me. 3 weeks she no call me. Oga, 4 years she no call me. After the 5th year, she come coming. She say, Kenny Black, hello, how you doing, my angel man? See, the only one that I'm missing. She say, Kenny Black, wait. I say, what? She say, Kenny, where you at? What you do? Oh, you got plans? Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in my room. I say, fine girl, don't talk too much. Oh yeah, just send me the location, and I'll be right there. See, and I come see you, my baby. I'm a child of God, but if you see this girl, I said, she get front, she get up, she get sense, she comes a big cook. Normally she be. I call Pastor Jerry, I say, Pastor Jerry, this not temptation, with a little confusion. She say, Kenny Black, are you sure you can handle this? If I say the bala, say the bolo, say the bala, say the bolo, is that your avian? Is that your avian? I might look like a small boy, but if I catch you for corner, you gonna say, you not gonna know anything, no, I'm still a small boy. if I catch you in the corner, hey, if I catch you in the corner, hey, you gonna say, if you want make a ginger, give me the Marco Jami. I say Marco Jebi. And when I'm done with you, yes you go need no other body. Kenny Black go touch your body. Are you single? Are you single? Are you single? Hey, you're single? Hey. Only duro mi esheun. Hey, only duro mi esheun. What is your name? Kenzie. What God cannot do does not exist. Oh. Are you single? You're single. Hey, miracle. You know the fine girl. What should I buy for you for Christmas? What do you want?
New phone.
New phone. What is the former one? What kind of phone? What kind of phone?
Any iPhone.
Thunder fire you. It don't go better for you. Thunder. Bring it down, bring it down. Abuja, make some noise. Small relationship, I don't buy phone. Whenever I will start, I just want to ask you out. Let me say, if I marry you now, I'm my next of kin. Abuja girls, you need a phone, right? I said the same. And buy the phone. You don't get a phone, you get 2 power bank. Wait till they charge your mind. Oh boy. I don't say most of them they see me say, this is not the Kenny Black we know. This guy don't add weight. Abi? I don't. My lifestyle now. Why I do the comedy? I don't chop up, Abi. I gotta be a fake life. Oh. People go to say they chop money now. The smell from where area be this. I don't talk say I go. Before I never lose weight small. But those of them who see me the last time, I don't come down because I go gym. She even they advise me, Kenny, no, you're losing your sexiness. These girls don't go like you again. Go to the gym. I don't realize say gym na suicide. But you by yourself go pay for the pain. I can say everybody I go gym, I paid for 2 months. I didn't go back after 3 days. Because I cannot come and go and kill myself. And I'm not the only person here. If you know you paid for gym for a month and you didn't go after 2 days, can you make some noise? Look at my colleagues. We cannot come and go and die. For what? For what? Now by we get we lucky person. Have you? In fact, let me ask you now, you go see people now, they go show their true color. Make some noise if you have a flat tummy. That bros never in your life do that. That's the compound. Make some noise if you have a big belly. And my sister, even you. Make some noise if you wish to have a flat tummy. Did you guys say that? Ooh. Make some noise if you just want to live your life. My belly I get, I no key. I cannot come out there and kill myself. I'm Papi. Now one guy will say I like and I respect so much, but I don't tell them say me they call me. If I never clap for them, you know go like which I want to. Because I don't know they call me to perform for midnight again. They make I perform early because I'm a small boy, it's past my bedtime. Yeah, because they can only try this with big comedians. You get one art to do, they don't try with. Keep her for backstage since 10. Portable. First of all, I saw a portable day backstage. You know the guy like, Papi, you share it. You know what? I did backstage, you don't got me. Now go keep. Backstage, I did good. You know what? You like me? All these comedians can't say they talk about nyash and breast. Can't you pray? Can't you praise God? Can't you do that meaningful things? Imagine portable for Big Brother house. Make portable come the end of house. Big Brother will just say, portable. Report to the diary room. Yeah. Portable will come sit down. Big Brother will just say, portable, what is the problem? Portable will be like, Big Brother, they want to say house you. They want to say house you. And they follow you tag right now. Messi don't put this house for Gigi. Although if they say this house for my back, that boy, even this joke why they do now at risk. The The guy feel coming tomorrow. Kenny Black, you want to read me in you? About the only person where police want arrest, they're sick. They just go meet and say, what people that the only guy will believe say anybody wants to see I'm supposed to pay because he's the guest artist. Make DPO pay to see you. They say, Portable, you're under arrest. DPO wants his pastor, I don't want to pay. You pay pastor. Tell us where you come. You want Jesus? Papa, they call up, say, no, Portable is going with us. They call the drop Portable, the drop Portable, the drop Portable. And then you go, you want to arrest me? You know what I mean? I'm a baboon. I live in the zoo. The zoo. They say, go come by yourself. Portable are the first guy when they go prison, they do video. I go by the name of Olalami. You don't go jail before. You tell your family don't go prison. You are in a jail. You are in a prison. I go jail. Yeah. Baba, the third Portable saying go use 10 years for prison. For the first time, the voice come down. That guy is the only artist where the freestyle pass Magneto. The guy feel like song now. Song where no play. The guy, hey, ready? You dey so glad. Along that. And I'm making say for this. So they go collect this. Pokota me. The can't say oh boy. May God help me. That boy. They're supposed to award for that boy. Imagine they nominate Portable for award. Imagine Portable is the only guy who's supposed to go to America. But we get Zazara. Imagine Portable. They nominate you for Hades. You threaten your nominees. How they going to nominate you for best street? You do video. They don't nominate us. They don't back home and they come back. When they say they give another person, they go say me they kill him. Now then they call Hades. Please, can you take me out of the category? I rather leave than they want to become a tribute. Yes. It's best street. Yeah, best street. Yes, not yes. Baba, they know I now go. I mean, all those people will go, they call the shade down. We are in America, where are you? Our music is going places. Look at wizkid. Look at him. Yeah. He said, Baba, if you see drops of I'm bigger than the Eddies. Able to collect Grammy. You did there when people don't collect Grammy. I see wizkid now they do well. Beyonce come feature wizkid. By the way, sir, if I catch wizkid, you know it. One. Wizkid. Wizkid is racist. When they sing with Nigerian artists, no accents. American artists, accents. You go use diction. All I mean, totally me one time. Totally me 2 times. Totally me 3 times. Totally me 4 times. What is telling you? You want to sing with Beyonce? Wizkid they do brown skin girl. Brown skin girl like pearl. Best thing of the world. I said I wish they do world. Why not if you do totally me 1 time too? Very anyhow. I don't know they call the future artist. Imagine say Portable is so big right now that even American artists they with me come America make the future. So therefore for again what they do for America, Usher request for Portable. I don't no jokes. Why is it a joke? Imagine this kind of word now. Usher just comes and say, yo, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say a big shout out to my guy, Paul. Even if he said, Bishop, Kanye. He said, yeah, Paul. Say, I want to say a big shout out to my guy, Paul. In fact, tonight, I'm going to do a song for my brother, Paul. No, my time, no. Make it go. You don't do so, imagine us, I just say, ladies and gentlemen, this song my brother, Paul. And it starts to Zazzle. Look at your neighbor, say neighbor. Zazzle. Around the door. Chuchu there. Zazzle. Volume. Up on AC. Oh, you get to my door. Portable. Bado. Baby Chabaye. Oh, to tease. No. Because I know your man, I don't know you. She don't see you. she done the chill with Samilari, Pokuli and Kobaki. Let's go. Now my baby don't deserve to say Coco try. Okay, this joke is for you. I want to maybe tell a team poker yo. Now my baby don't do hold you back there, let you back my baby. Kala, that you who I can't.
Who stole that money? Are you having? And this is for you.
Then don't they call my baby? Zekota Zedie.
I want they pursue me. Can I do one more?
Make her they go. Okay, they pursue me, but I have to quickly do this. Sir, ma, you guys. Don't comment, don't forget the next line. We all. I must tell you the truth. I don't travel around the world, okay? Hi. So, bros, you where they pack my money come. Let's take a picture together. Yeah. Where's the photographer? Yeah. Hold the money. I got share of headline in case I find them. Just love and I go settle this case. I don't know how they park this thing like. Okay. If you one thing where my guy they talk about airports, I don't travel. And I realize we don't really get airports for Nigeria. But we get a compound where they park. Okay, say it's true, yes. Let me. Abuja Airport. Okay, for you to be happy, Abuja Airport and others. Okay, all the airports, apart from Abuja Airport. Oh yeah, we have airports in Nigeria, but come on the air, just leave the port. Sir, I travel to go America. If you see the way they announce flights, even if you know they go that port, you go enter the flight. You go here, boom, boom, or attention please, and it comes with echo. All passengers from British Airways to Lagos should please proceed for boarding. Boarding. People go carry bag. Boarding. I don't know what they are meant to. First of all, from outside, they don't threaten you. You go for London, if you travel, are you going to Manchester? Please follow me. Let's go. Our airport.
If you are not traveling, go back. I will not repeat myself. If you are not traveling, go back now. I can't go back there. Go back with this small bag. Don't go. Go back, Joe.
Why you they shout? The annoying part of the way they announce that flight, either the girl know hear English, or the plane, or the airport speaker know they walk. They will come speak one nonsense English, they will make you miss your flight. You call here, intention please. Intention to do what? What is the intention in life? You go here, all passengers of this airline should just the Chisco bus outside, plane don't fool. Now 10-5 I pay. I know they fly with Sheyi Budi and the rest again because they enter business class and they enter economy, mind my business. I know they send anybody. They can't look at you, seat number 1A, they see that economy 62B. I see them economy. How you tell affordable? They call it like this. The annoying part, because of time, that the pilots. Okay, you know, say all the airlines, including Nigeria, till today, you know the everything pilots they talk, but we don't say we go land. Once that plane take off, seat best sign is swap, you just hear boom, boom, boom. All this is open. All this is open.
Lagos. All this over forward. So Lagos.
All of us are playing could be like this. If you fly Ethiopia Airways, they don't speak English. Wait to the end now. Kubura to Mangari. Kilo Kubura. This is the annoying part. We hear, we'll be landing at about. So you don't know road. Afrobeat has taken over the world. Put your hands together for Afrobeat, ladies and gentlemen. And the time runs because of my time. Sir, do you know what it is for our music to grow to the point that Indians are inviting us? Look at what happened to Rema. Rema went to India to sing our song, not their song. Because all our life, the only Indian song we know is Janima, Janikije, Janima, At Rema Land Airport, now 2 men wake up and baby.
somebody put the man for lockdown. I took it aside. Oh, Lolita, baby, come give me a love. As Asake say they call him, and Asake called him. Mama, wow. And then I said, you want to come? Very good. So right now we're going to call Asake. And when he comes, he's going to sing Yogar, Yogar. If it is a song, only one year, just song Yogar. Yogar, Yogar, I'll be on my way. Yogar, Yogar. As I can perform Yogar, nobody dance. The only dance is they dance now, this one. Then it as I can say, if you go back and perform Yogar in Mumbai, we'll give you $1 million. As I can hear $1 million, go check that Indian band. Now wait till we hear this. DJ play. Yogar, I'll be on my way. Let nobody tell where you got. All of them massacre. All of them massacre. All of them massacre. Enemies, I get them too much. It's better to get them surplus. But they fall, do not take off. I do tell let it go. What can fire, my lover, my lover. What can fire, stick and us. I do not all of them massacre. Abuja, thank you so much.
Thank you, KENNYBLAQ.
And that's my son.
Thank you, KENNYBLAQ. Thank you, KENNYBLAQ.
I told you guys that you will enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.